What are the challenges of enforcing arbitration awards? Imagine winning a dispute through arbitration and feeling confident that justice has been served. But then, you hit a wall when trying to make the other side comply. That's where enforcement issues come into play. Even though arbitration offers privacy and speed, turning that victory into actual payment or compliance isn't always straightforward. First, arbitration awards are binding decisions made by arbitrators, but they are not automatically enforceable like court judgments. The winning party must take extra steps to turn the award into a court order or judgment. This process is called enforcement, and it can be tricky. Most international arbitration awards are enforced under the New York Convention, an agreement signed by over 170 countries. This treaty helps countries recognize and enforce awards made elsewhere. But the success of enforcement depends on the laws of the country where you want to enforce the award. Some countries have strong enforcement laws, while others are more difficult. One big challenge is that many parties, especially in cross-border disputes, do not voluntarily follow the arbitration award. For example, a government-owned company might delay or refuse payment. In such cases, the winning party must go to court in different countries where the losing side has assets. This can mean multiple legal processes in different places, which takes time and money. Courts can also refuse to enforce an arbitration award for several reasons. If the arbitration agreement was invalid under local law, enforcement can be denied. If a party was not properly notified or didn't get a fair chance to present their case, the award might not be enforced. Sometimes, if the arbitrator decided on issues outside what the parties agreed upon, enforcement can be challenged. Procedural mistakes during arbitration, like not following the agreed rules, can also lead to enforcement problems. And if the award conflicts with the public policy of the country where enforcement is sought, courts may refuse to enforce it. Another obstacle is annulment or setting aside of the award. A losing party can ask the court where the arbitration took place to cancel the award. If the court agrees, enforcement in other countries becomes much harder. Some courts may still enforce the award despite annulment, but this varies. When the losing party is a government or state-owned entity, sovereign immunity can block enforcement. Many countries recognize that states and their assets are immune from legal actions, making it difficult or impossible to collect on awards against governments. For businesses, these challenges mean they should be careful when choosing where to arbitrate and who to arbitrate with. Picking a seat in a country with strong enforcement laws and parties with reachable assets can make a big difference. It's also wise to consider insurance or financial tools to protect against non-payment. Preparing for multiple enforcement actions across different countries can help manage costs and delays. In the end, enforcement of arbitration awards isn't always simple or guaranteed. Understanding these hurdles helps businesses plan better and avoid surprises after winning their case.